Wuxi Oriental Deno International Trading Company Limited is located in Wuxi, China, and is a collection of domestic and foreign trade as one of the integrated enterprises. It has a large stock of stainless steel, aluminum alloy, steel pipe, square pipe, steel plate, steel coil, bar, H-beam. In accordance with GB standard, ASTM, JIS, BS, EM, to provide customers with superfast delivery of a variety of steel products. Our cooperative factory, specializing in OEM custom processing services, flame cutting, laser cutting, and drilling services, provides steel bending services, steel heat treatment, steel processing services, steel welding services, and sheet metal processing manufacturing services. Special specification, special grade, small batch, superfast delivery, short delivery time. Our company mainly exports to Southeast Asian and Middle Eastern markets, such as South Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, Myanmar, the Philippines, Jordan, and Kuwait. Provide the highest quality products, the lowest price, the best service is our goal. With the philosophy of quality, innovation, and service, we are taking great efforts to provide professional service, high-quality products in favorable cost and fast delivery. Quality first and service first is our pledge. We pledge to give our customers goods, quality, and service. Our goal is customers' satisfaction and to achieve win-win cooperation with our customers. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us to achieve mutual success. Welcome to make an inquiry.